Hello and welcome. Are you looking for a unique and eco friendly way to create a beautiful garden in a small space? Look no further. In this video, we will show you how to create a stunning vertical garden using plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are a great material for creating a vertical garden because they are lightweight, durable, and easy to find. To get started, cut your plastic bottles in half using a sharp pair of scissors. Next, drill some small holes in the bottom of the plastic bottles to allow for proper drainage. Once your bottles are wrapped, insert your plant into the bottle, being careful not to damage the roots. Finally, arrange your plastic bottles in a vertical garden, securing them a wall or fence using screws or zip ties. And there are have it a beautiful and eco-friendly vertical garden that's perfect for small spaces and apartment balconies. So what are you waiting for? Start collecting your plastic bottles today and create your own beautiful vertical garden. Benefits of a vertical garden. In addition to being a creative way to repurpose plastic bottles, a vertical garden has many other benefits, such as improving air quality, reducing noise pollution, and providing a natural habitat for birds and insects. You can highlight these benefits to show viewers why a vertical garden is a great addition to their home. Choosing the right plants. When selecting plants for your vertical garden, it's important to choose one that are well suited for your climate and the amount of sunlight and garden will receive. You can offer tips of which plants work well in a vertical garden and provide examples of plants that are easy to grow and maintain. Upcycling ideas. Creating a vertical garden from plastic bottles is just one example of how you can upcycle materials and reduce waste. You can share other ideas for upcycling household items, such as using old jars as vases or creating a bird feeder from a milk carton. Maintenance steps. While a vertical garden is relatively low maintenance, it's still important to take care of your plants to ensure they thrive. You can offer tips on how often to water your plants, how to fertilize them, and how to prune them to keep them looking their best. Creative variation. There are many different ways to create a vertical garden using plastic bottles, and you can get creative with your design to make it truly unique. You can showcase different variation such as creating a living wall or incorporating different colored bottles to add visual interest. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create your own vertical garden using plastic bottles. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn a simple household item into a beautiful and eco-friendly garden that will bring joy to your home. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.